Welcome back. So, Paradise Season 2 ends with a massive world shifting finale, and honestly, all bets are off after this one. From the very beginning, Paradise hinted at something bigger beneath its surface, but few expected it to go this deep into sci fi territory. Now, with the finale title Exodus, the show fully embraces that direction, delivering one of its most ambitious and game changing episodes yet. The episode kicks off with a flashback that reveals a crucial piece of the puzzle. We learn that Dylan, also known as Link, was once the protege of Henry Miller, a brilliant scientist working on advanced quantum computing. Together, they created Alex, a sentient AI capable of predicting any possible future in microseconds. But there's a catch: Alex doesn't just predict problems, it tries to fix them, and in doing so, it starts interfering with time itself, creating dangerous anomalies. Realizing the risk, Henry tries to shut the project down, which ultimately leads to his death. Samantha, who funded the research, takes control of Alex, believing it holds the keys to saving the world and possibly even her son. Back in the present, everything begins to collapse. Inside the bunker, systems start failing one by one, power goes out, communication dies, and chaos spreads rapidly. When the situation spirals out of control, Gabriella makes the call to initiate Exodus, a full evacuation, but it's already too late. A reactor meltdown triggers a catastrophic explosion, killing several characters and making the bunker completely uninhabitable. From there, the episode turns into a desperate race for survival. Families are separated, the streets are in chaos, and every decision feels like life or death. In the middle of all of this, Xavier emerges as a key figure. As he searches for his children, he confronts Samantha at gunpoint. What follows is one of the most compelling dynamics of the episode: two people on opposite sides forced to work together. They eventually rescue their daughters thanks to a last minute assist from Link. But this is where the story takes another major turn. It's revealed that Xavier is User X, the one person capable of activating Alex, and within the world on the brink of destruction, someone has to stay behind. Sorry, someone has to stay behind to contain the nuclear fallout inside the bunker. Samantha makes that choice. In a quiet but powerful moment, she sacrifices herself, staying behind as everything collapses around her. It's a fitting end for a character driven by control, ambition, and ultimately belief in something greater. Outside, the survivor regroups, families reunite, losses are mourned, and the reality of what just happened begins to settle in. But the final twist comes in the closing moments. Before her death, Samantha reveals to Xavier that Alex isn't just about prediction, it might have the power to fix everything that's already gone wrong. She gives him the activation instruction and leaves him with one final message: go save the world. And that's where the season ends, with Xavier standing at the edge of an uncertain future, holding the power to possibly rewrite fate itself. It's a bold, high stakes ending that completely changes the scope of the series, shifting it from survival drama to something much bigger. Now, the question is, what does saving the world actually look like? That's it. Thank you for watching.